right, friendsonjamaicans.com. This is Khalib. I am coming to you from South Beach Wine and Food Festival. The light is not that great and you may not be able to hear me very well. If not, put it in the comments. I know you're just, thank you Ryan. I know you're just coming on. I'm going to keep the phone a little bit close because you may not be able to hear us. But I am here with Chef Andre Fowles. As everyone comes on, hi there. I'm here with Chef Andre Fowles from New York. For those of you in South Florida, you may have heard his name from that famous New York restaurant called Miss Lily's. He's one of our celebrity chefs, and we are down here at Taste Jamaica. You can see the sign in the background here. So, Mr. Andre Fowles,
yes,
big up all of the people on Jamaicans.com first and foremost.
Yeah,
please.
of course, big up Jamaica.com. You know, it's the one and only. You know, we're here at South Beach, and it's really a great show. You know, it's, of course, Taste Jamaica, and once you know it's Jamaica, it's always flavorful. So we have some great chefs here, really just showcasing what Jamaican cuisine is all about, but also pushing it forward and just taking the classics and giving a nice touch. So the food is going to be incredible. You know, we're sold out. We have over just about 600 people coming in within like the next 10 minutes. So it's really just going to get crazy, and it's just a lot of fun because we're in Miami, of course.
And how long have you been coming down here to the South Beach Wine and Food Festival?
This is my second year actually. So I came like 5 years ago just to help out, but I started last year doing my own thing, and they called me back and said, hey, why not come back to host it and also cook some great food? So that's why I'm back.
And you, big up in Texas, big up family Dwayne.
Yeah man, big up Texas man. One love.
Now, how did you become a celebrity chef? Because you're known as a celebrity chef. How did you get that?
People call me that, you know, but I don't go by it because, you know, I competed on Chop. I won Chop twice.
You won?
You know,
okay.
So I'm the first Jamaican to do so, and I've been competing from 2016. I've done Beach Chef Flay, I've done Chopped, I've done a series of several stuff on Food Network, and there's a lot more coming, you know, and of course I try to always represent brand Jamaica, brand Caribbean, always push the food forward because our cuisine is absolutely amazing. It's addictive, people love it, not just Jamaicans, anywhere abroad, London, you know, New York, you name it, you know, so that's always I try to represent and push forward that Jamaican culture.
And you see all of those people when you come here. You see people from New York and Australia. And
absolutely.
Who do you see when you come to South Beach Wine and Food Festival?
Everybody. People from all backgrounds. It doesn't matter because food is that catalyst that pulls people together. It doesn't matter where you're from, what you like to eat. You know, there's something here for everybody. And of course, Jamaican cuisine is always loved by everyone. So we're just here to share it.
Yes, your friend Suzette from New York is big enough over here.
All right, big up Suzette. Yeah, man.
All right, thank you, Mr. Fowles.
Big up Jamaica.com.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to actually walk around because all of these restaurants down here, all of these chefs are representing Jamaica. This is the Taste Jamaica event at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival. I'm going to see if we find any other celebrity chefs. Hello. Hey, where are you guys from?
New York.
New York. All right. We're live on Jamaicans.com.
Jamaicans.com.
Yes, so we have somebody in New York. I saw some. Oh, two.
I'm Chef JJ. I got a restaurant in Harlem. I wanted to host tonight.
Okay, so tell us about your restaurant and how did you end up down here?
My restaurant in Harlem is a rice bowl shop called Field Trip. It's truly amazing, the best rice you can ever taste. But today at the event, I'm doing a little bit of jerk chicken wings with tamarind barbecue.
Where's the jerk chicken wings?
I'm just seeing
empty plates. I don't know what's going on here. I'm not very happy about this situation. I'm going to tell you. I'm not very happy about this situation. Anyway, so we'll come back for the jerk, for the wings a little bit later. But thank you very much for talking to us. We'll come back and check in with you. You see the branding? Let me tell you how Jamaica do things around here. You see me? You see me? You see how Jamaica go on, you see? All right. So this hotel is called, what's the hotel again? National Hotel in South Beach. And this is how they set up their sexy bar. Of course, sponsored by Appleton Estate. We have another chef over here that's doing pan-seared salmon. And for those of you who are just joining, this is the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. Okay, and you are Chef?
OG Jaja.
OG Jaja?
Yes, straight out of Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, OG Jaja straight out of Jamaica. We see you. Okay, so how did you end up at the South Beach Wine and Food Festival doing Taste Jamaica?
Well, you know, I've always wanted to do this festival.
Yes.
I've been coming here for about 12 years now, and it's always just been something that I wanted to do. And because it also helps the school,
Yes.
FIU and stuff, then yeah.
Okay. No, this is for those of you asking if this is in Jamaica. This is the South Beach Wine and Food Festival, the one sponsored by the Food Network and the Cooking Channel. This is some legit business, right? So we have some chefs from Jamaica, OG Jaja.
Yes, and you guys can visit my Instagram handle, which is at Ashebre. Ashebre is ASHEBRE. Yeah.
We've
Name
had a
Ashebre.
Shebre in Island Origins magazine before.
Have you?
I'm the publisher of Island Origins. I'm sure we've had something to do with a shepherd. So yes, OG Jaja, and he has some. I see something about pan-seared salmon.
Pan-seared
Watching
salmon.
from Ghana and Canada. Love that. Love that.
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
so again, we're coming to you from the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. This is my first time down here. I'm very excited to see what Jamaica is doing. All of these chefs are representing Jamaica. OG Jaja here from Ashebre. I've heard about your brand. It's some natural.
No, actually, we're really just we're a premium catering company in Jamaica.
Okay.
We do a lot of special events, a lot of destination weddings, that kind of thing. Yeah, man.
Fancy thing here. If you go into Jamaica and you want the fancy thing, you go to Ashebre. You see me? Alright, so we're gonna come back when he has his pan-seared. Let's look at the
Salmon.
signage. Pan-seared. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Let me turn this. Nope. Yep. Pan-seared salmon. I'm sure it's backways. I'm sorry, guys. Because we're going live, everything is gonna be backways for you. So, but he's doing pan-seared pimento smoked salmon fillet with micro vegetable salad and Scotch bonnet annatto sauce. I them think that we are going with here. Anyway, all right. So let's go back over now. We're gonna go check out where we see Chef Irie. I know Chef Irie. Chef Irie just got his first copies of his hardcover cookbook. Oh, look who I found. This is Mr. Donnie Dawson, who is the head of the Jamaica Tourist Board. We're live on Jamaicans.com, Mr. Dawson. I just put you on the spot, right? Yes.
Cool, thank you.
So we have people watching from London, from Ghana, from Canada, from New York. I think I saw some from Jamaica.
Really?
Not everyone knows where is South Beach. Okay, South Beach is in South Florida, which is the southernmost tip of the United States, right? So thank you for watching from London, and whoever is in Miami, Florida. Mr. Dawson,
Yes, ma'am.
how did Taste Jamaica come about as part of the South Beach Wine and Food Festival?
We started it last year. We, as you know, we have a gastronomy division within the Ministry of Tourism.
Yes.
And we wanted to highlight Jamaica's cuisine.
Yes.
And so we decided, a good place to start would be the South Beach Wine and Food Festival, which is very popular. So we decided to do a Taste Jamaica event here at the National Hotel.
Yes.
It was very successful last year. So we decided again this year, why not do it?
Yes.
So here we are again, and it's sold out. A sold out event, over 600 people.
Very nice. Thank you for coming in from Pennsylvania. Thank everybody who is checking in. This is Donnie Dawson. He's the boss at Jamaica Tourist Board, so don't mess with him. He knows what's going on. So he's I hope everybody heard that.
I'm a nice guy.
He's a very nice guy. So this is the second year of Taste Jamaica. There are so many chefs around here. I'm going to keep walking around before the music gets too loud. So Mr. Dawson, anything you want to say before I go find Mr. Irie?
Come down to Jamaica. It's too cold wherever you are in Pennsylvania and all those far out. It's too cold.
It is too cold.
Get down to Jamaica and have a good time.
All right.
Eat some good Jamaican food.
Yeah, man. All right.
All right.
All right. So let's go say hi to Chef Irie, guys. Chef Irie.
What's up, what's up?
I think the people on Jamaicans.com want to see your brand new cookbook that you just came out with. They want to see your brand new cookbook that you just came out. I don't know.
If I can find it, hold on.
So guys, we're now.
See, now we have to put the package. Oh, the wonderful package right here.
So
Hold on.
Chef Irie just got his first copy of his brand new cookbook, Taste the Islands, right? So the TV.
I'd like to sleep with it tonight.
Yes, if you have not been here, make sure you do come next year, right?
Yes.
So the TV show is going into the third season coming up this year. It's going to be on air by 2021. We're about to shoot it. But this is Chef Irie's first cookbook. Here
What's
it
going
is.
on? What's going
Taste
on,
the Islands.
man?
First hardcover cookbook. You can find it on Amazon right now.
We are here at the National Hotel, and this is Taste Jamaica, Sobe Wine and Food Festival. This is the second year, and we have sold out 2 years in a row. So next year, when I say get your tickets early, get them early. And they'll be calling me 5 minutes before you have that extra
Beg your ticket, please.
Beg your
chef.
ticket.
Beg your ticket. I think it's $160 for the ticket. Jesus.
Right,
but
good.
the food tastes good. No, but you see the caliber of chefs that are here. You see the caliber of food.
We
Chef
talking and
Irie,
working at the same time.
Chef, yes, he's talking and working. So Chef Irie is doing at this event. I know all of you who are so cold must be so jealous. Ooh, look at him. Ooh,
All right,
look
so,
at that. All right.
So I'm going to tell you exactly what we're doing. So give one
So
of this
Chef
to Pastor.
Irie is doing
And the other one is
curried
gonna go-
pumpkin ton cornmeal. You see the ton cornmeal smell? Island polenta with smoked salted codfish.
and ackee sauce.
Let me try and get a close up for you. You seeing that? You hungry yet? You not hungry yet? I know, right? Woo.
See there.
All right.
All right.
Sorry. Oh my God. All right. So somebody's stealing my life. They don't realize we're trying to work here. So here are some guests just starting to come in. The event actually starts at 8 o'clock. So we're giving you a preview before it starts to get too full in here. Sorry for the backlight, but it's going to be a really special evening. Let me see who else we can grab. Okay. So if you have ever been to South Florida, there's not a whole lot of high-end Jamaican restaurants here. You know, if you go to Washington, D.C. or if you go to New York, you might find a nicer Jamaican restaurant. There are not a whole lot of those here. One of the 2 or 3 that exist is called Ortonique Restaurant, and this is one of the owners of that, Ortonique and Zest, right? So this is Chef Delia's.
I don't know if you call me Zest. I mean Chef. That over that.
Okay.
Oh, no, there she is. But yes.
This is Delia's. Those of you in Jamaica who remember Norma's that used to be on the terrace of Devon House, this is her son.
And everywhere else.
And everywhere else. This is her son, and he has started a restaurant called Ortonique with Chef Cindy Hudson. She's over here, over his shoulder, if you can see her right here.
21 years ago. 21 years ago.
21 years ago, but it's pretty awesome. So you have some of the nicest. Oh, cookbook coming out again.
There we go.
You have some of the nicest of the Jamaican food in a nice setting. The Caribbean food. You call it
Right.
cuisine of the sun.
Exactly.
So talk a little bit about what you do at Ortonique Restaurant. If you're watching from Philadelphia or London or Canada, wherever you guys were riding in from, just tell us, if we're coming to South Florida and you want to have fine Caribbean food and you go to Ortonique, what are they going to expect?
Well, you got a bounty of flavors. The city uses everything from Jamaica, from Trinidad, from Cuba, whatever. You know, the curries that come from East India, but then the Trinidadians have just made it their own in Jamaican. We actually do like a meat dish that's fantastic.
That's
which
not
is
right. You're
Chinese
not
Jamaican.
on Lincoln Mall.
Not anymore. We used to be. That was when we called it
Oh.
Norma's on the Beach back from 94 to 99. Then we sold it, and then we moved to Coral Gables, and now we call it Ortonique, which we've been there now for 21 years. And then we have a Zest Market downtown Miami. We have Jamaica in the Grill at the Cliff Hotel. I've relaunched my mom's restaurant called Red Bones in Kingston.
Wow.
And Cindy does all the cuisine. She's the ambassador chef for the New Cancer Institute here in Miami. And we're actually opening up for Heineken and Le Tropical beer out of Cuba in Wynwood in June. I'm consulting on that. But back to what we were talking about, the flavors, you know, thyme, Scotch-bonnet pepper, allspice, you know, the things that really make the Caribbean so uniquely different from any other cuisine. And it's about using the fruits, the vegetables that are, you know, that we really haven't explored. And we've been talking to another chef here this evening, jackfruit, for instance. I mean, I remember as a child that my mom would say, "Oh, let's get a jackfruit, put it in the car." I was like, "Oh my God, we're not bringing in that fruit because it smells so nasty."
But it tastes
But
so
it's
good.
amazing, and we found it now, and now we put it in ceviche. We make curried jackfruit, so it's a vegetarian dish. It makes a beautiful sauce. It's got a fantastic sweetness to it. So it's, you know, City explores with all these amazing dishes. You know, but we still have a jerk pork chop on the menu. That's a 16-ounce pork chop with a guava rum sauce with papaya mango and white rum raisins. You know, we do a grouper dish that has an Ortonique orange liqueur sauce on it. So, you know, we don't lose our roots, but we also add to our roots and make it a little more exotic rather than a box lunch. Not disrespecting a box lunch because we all
Box lunch is everything.
Yeah, we don't. Give me a curry goat any day with a rice piece and a little cabbage salad on the side, but we take it that next step up, and that's what we do. We We give you a dining experience with white tablecloth, real silverware, take away the plastic, and make it really special.
Make it a fine dining experience.
Absolutely, and that's what it's all about.
Absolutely. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, Julius. I'm gonna walk around a little more because the music is getting loud. So
Get pumping.
So you guys, I'm gonna turn the phone around.
All those in the cold weather, it sucks for you.
Oh my God. Lisa Gate, looks like you're a veteran of South Florida and know what's going on more than me. So thank you for that. But the music is starting to get loud and I don't want to shout. So I am going to actually turn the phone around and just narrate as I walk around and show you guys what is happening here. Pardon me. What is happening here at the South Beach Wine and Food Festival's Taste Jamaica event. I don't know why the camera not turning around. Okay, here we go. So this is Chef Cindy from Cuisine of the Sun, and she's doing the West Indian butter chicken. All right, Ortanika on the Mile. This is her cookbook, and she gave me a little sneaky taste of the butter chicken, and it was delicious. You are so jealous of me right now. All right, so again, this is the Taste of Jamaica event. This is Scotch bonnet pork ribs with lychee green mango slaw. If you want a close-up, if you're hungry. If you're hungry. All right, so every chef here is representing Jamaica. Every single chef is representing Jamaica. This is Andre Fowles again. This is who we talked to first at the beginning of this. You need a Taste Jamaica in London. I don't disagree with you, my friend. We do the Taste the Islands experience, and we may actually head to London at some point in time. If you guys want to come to Taste the Caribbean, we're doing that. Taste the Caribbean. Taste the Islands experience, we're doing that in May as well. May 9th and 10th is Mother's Day weekend. We're going to be having a whole bunch of restaurants from all over the Caribbean and mixologists. Chef Andre Fowles is doing the coconut mackerel rundown with dumplings. So let's get a little zoom in on that.
Yeah, man. So Tribeca, man. You got something?
All right. Here's people enjoying all the delicious food. Say hi. All right. Let's see who else we have over here. Charissa Henry Skyers, Pink Apron in Jamaica.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
And let's see what's going on here. Anybody hungry? Yes, this is in South Florida. This is the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. And she's got sous vide pork loin with piment. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then we have some what is this? Coconut milk snapper ceviche with Scotch bonnet foam. All right, see here?
Soon done.
Soon done. You see the decorating going on? You feel like you're watching Top Chef though. Yeah man, that's how we do it on Jamaicans. Okay, all right. This connection came back. We had a little slow connection a while ago, but see some frying going on over here. Something going. What is this on the grill? It's a pork tenderloin on the grill, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that was run down with mackerel and dumpling, but they do it very stush. You know how that go already. And over here we've got, these are the chicken wings we were waiting for a little bit earlier. Crispy jerk chicken rings with tamarind sauce from J.J. Johnson, Field Trip Harlem. Look here. You see them stush wings? All right. That's how we like our wings, very stush, right? So I'm gonna come back over here and see if we can find this pan-seared salmon. I know I can't eat it now because I'm streaming to you. However, I'm coming back for my salmon in just a moment. All right. And at some point in time, we do need to go over to Appleton and get some of that. So this is the famous Dwayne Watkins, right? He does all of the weddings, the fabulous wedding photos that you'll see in Jamaica. We're streaming on Jamaicans.com right now, so we have people watching from Africa and from Philadelphia.
Everybody globally. I wish you were here.
Some of them do as well. I hear people talking about them cold and all kind of something. But so this is some pan-seared salmon from OG Jaja.
Yep.
I'm never gonna forget that name.
I hope not.
OG Jaja, right? I'm gonna come back for this, but let's keep going because I haven't been around the corner yet, and it looks like there are some chefs that we still need to try and catch up with. This looks like a ooh. All right, so let's look at this. So this is the coconut thing with the branding. Pretty awesome. Yes, I know you wish you were there. Norma Ellis says hi, Dwayne. I can't see him. But this is how Appleton does their thing here. So they have the coconuts, and they chop the coconut, and they drop a little bit of Appleton Estate rum in there. Let me see if I can get around the corner here to see what he's doing on camera.
How are you?
Hey, good.
So did you just...
I cannot find... Hey, Willie Stewart, just coming on. I cannot find my lighting guy. But here is... We have people watching you from Ghana, from Canada, from Philadelphia, New York. What did I say? Canada already. But these are these Appleton Estate things.
These are Thai coconuts?
Why are they not Jamaican coconut? What's going on here?
We got Jamaican rum.
What kind of fraudulent business is this? All right.
You know what it is?
Jamaican rum with the...
They have a particular taste.
Uh-huh.
That the Jamaican coconuts do not have.
I don't know how I feel about this, guys. I'm gonna keep it moving, right? At least there's Appleton rum in there, so we'll go with that. I'll taste it and tell you guys what it tastes like. But he just chopped a nice big hole in the coconut and dropped some Appleton Estate, and we have some Appleton something another there. So, all right, we're gonna keep. What happened? I haven't drank anything yet, but I'm gonna go over. So this is the area where this pirate gentleman is here. I wonder if I can zoom in on him. This pirate gentleman is over there enjoying his dinner. Ooh, Atlanta. We have Atlanta in the house. I missed that one. Sorry, guys. Hello, Atlanta. The Mother's Day event. Okay, so the Mother's Day event is called the Taste the Islands Experience. Someone just asked about that. And that is going to be at the Charles Dodge Center in Pembroke Pines. If you Google Taste the Islands Experience, it's not Taste of the Islands, Taste the Islands Experience, you will find out about our tasting event that will include all kinds of Caribbean restaurants and chefs and mixologists. That's coming up Mother's Day weekend, May 9th and 10th in Pembroke Pines, still here in South Florida.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
So here we have
cut right through it.
Chef, okay, let's see, this is a female chef, which we always want to support. Stout braised oxtail ragu with Chef Calissa Marie Martin from Cinnamon Town.
Philadelphia, we said. Philadelphia.
Oh my God, from Philadelphia. They have you here as Cinnamon Sun, New Jersey, but we're gonna make it up, right? So tell us about your, what is this?
Dragon stout braised oxtail over a coconut mash with sweet cucumber pickle on the side.
Nice. I don't even eat oxtail, but the dragon stout braising sounds delicious.
Would like to try?
I don't eat oxtail, but I'm gonna look at your plate and make all these people hungry. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
All right, and I think these are the last few people that we're gonna come across here. There's another oxtail here, so it's braised oxtail with Chinese spinach crunch. And this looks like a little, I don't even know, it looks like a little, so is the oxtail inside of this?
Yeah.
The oxtail is inside of here, and you are Chef Jeff Lee from Maca in Wynwood. Oh, I've never heard of Maca.
We're open yet.
When are you open?
We're projecting fall this year.
The fall of this year. Okay, so for those of you who are in South Florida, this is a good plug because it's Jamaicans.com, right? So for those of you who are in South Florida, Maca is going to be opening later this year down in Wynwood. Charlotte, North Carolina, thank you for checking in. Atlanta in the house, baby. Winston Grant, Aunt I's Jamaican restaurant. Everybody knows that one if you are in South Florida. And then the final restaurant on our rounds here, this looks like the oxtail area, is Dukuno. All right, Dukuno in the house. Also in Wynwood, they just opened this year and they're killing it, guys. So they're doing a smoked oxtail with crispy bami. I don't see the bami, I see something look like rice and callaloo. They're hiding the bami over there, but it's coming out at some point, I'm sure. So this is all of the restaurants that we're seeing here, and this whole place, I'm just gonna do a wide sweep and show you. This whole place just looks really cool. I wish you guys were down here to see everything that was going on. These are the beach chairs and the what do you call them? What that thing name again? Hammock. The hammocks. Vermont. Wow. Okay. We're getting people from all over the US watching and having a great time here. Or having a great time wherever you are. Oh, I'm so sorry I walked through your shot. And yeah, if you guys can make it next year, see the crowd starting to build. This is not even all the people yet. They said 600 people are going to be in here tonight. But yeah, this is really amazing. Jamaica, as always, does a spectacular job of pulling a variety of people together. This thing goes from 8 p.m. until 10:30. These are spectacular restaurants. All the food looks delicious. I am about to go and get me some of that, what did I tell you? The salmon. And please don't grudge me too much. New Jersey in the house, the baby. I know it's freezing. I'm so sorry, guys. But if you can come and get your Thai coconut with the Appleton Estate rum in it, please do at some point. I am about to try the salmon and the chicken wings and all of this amazing stuff. Brought to you, of course, by the Jamaica Tourist Board down here at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival. If you can make it next year, not this year, I guess. I mean, it's only gonna be around for another hour or so. So I'm gonna sign off with this nice branding here of Taste Jamaica at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival. You guys, I will see you another time. This is Khalib. I'm over and out.